Turn your ideas into profit. Learn the game-changing strategies to successfully launch digital products from home. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stay tuned as we dive into the exciting world of digital products. Not only will you learn the basics, but you'll also discover innovative strategies to enhance your journey in the digital marketplace. Get ready to unlock insights that will elevate your understanding and success. Digital products are currently transforming the market landscape. These include ebooks, online courses, software, and more. Unlike traditional goods, they're intangible, offering value in digital form. Their popularity among consumers and entrepreneurs is rising due to their easy accessibility and potential for high profitability. One significant advantage of digital products is their method of delivery. They're transmitted electronically, eliminating physical shipping costs and logistics. This aspect makes digital products especially appealing for online businesses, as it simplifies the distribution process and enhances profit margins. The digital age has opened up lucrative opportunities for selling digital products. This market offers low-risk business ventures with high rewards, tapping into the growing trend of online consumption and digital interaction. Entrepreneurs find this appealing because it allows for a wider audience reach and a variety of products to offer. Creating a digital product begins with an idea. It might be a unique solution to a problem, a tool that simplifies certain tasks, or simply a new form of entertainment. The key is to identify a concept that has potential market demand and can be developed into a digital format. Research plays a critical role in developing a digital product. Understanding your target market, their preferences, needs, and gaps in the current market are crucial. This step helps in shaping your product to better fit the market's demands, ensuring that it has a viable audience upon launch. Once you have a clear idea and have conducted thorough market research, the next step is to conceptualize your product. This involves outlining its features, determining the benefits it offers, and planning its overall structure. It's about transforming your idea into a detailed plan for a tangible product. Involving potential customers in the development process can be highly beneficial. Through methods like surveys or beta testing, you can gather direct feedback from your target audience. This input can provide valuable insights, helping you tailor your product to better meet consumer needs and expectations. Developing a prototype is the next critical step. This is a preliminary version of your product that brings your idea into a more concrete form. It's essential for visualizing how your product will work and for testing its functionality before full-scale development. Feedback is crucial at the prototype stage. Use this opportunity to refine your product based on user responses. This iterative process of receiving feedback and making adjustments ensures that the final product is well-tuned to customer preferences and market demands. Finalizing your product means refining it based on all the feedback you've received. It's about ensuring that the product not only meets, but exceeds your target customers' needs and expectations, offering them something valuable and unique. Pricing your product correctly is vital. It needs to reflect the value it offers, be attractive to customers, and be competitive in the market. This involves balancing profitability with affordability, ensuring your product is accessible to your target audience while still providing a return on your investment. Marketing your digital product is essential for its success. This includes creating a buzz and excitement around your product, using various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and other online promotional strategies. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are powerful marketing tools. They offer targeted advertising options, allowing you to reach specific segments of your audience effectively. Utilizing these platforms can significantly increase your product's visibility and sales potential. Captivated by our content? Keep the story going. Hit subscribe, applaud with a like, and ring the bell to stay tuned for more captivating chapters. Ready to turn the next page? Let's dive back into the narrative. Email marketing allows for direct communication with potential customers. It's an effective tool for building relationships, fostering trust, and keeping your audience engaged and informed about your product. Content marketing is another key strategy. Creating and sharing valuable content related to your product can attract and engage your target audience, establishing you as an authority in your niche and building trust in your product. After launching your product, it's essential to continue updating and improving it. Stay responsive to customer feedback and market trends to keep your product relevant and appealing. Regular updates and improvements can help maintain customer interest and loyalty. Customer support is crucial in maintaining a positive reputation and encouraging repeat business. Providing prompt, helpful, and friendly support can differentiate your product from competitors and build long-term customer relationships. Positive reviews and testimonials can significantly enhance your product's credibility. Encouraging satisfied customers to share their experiences can attract new customers and build trust in your product. A money-back guarantee can increase sales by reducing purchase hesitations. It shows confidence in your product and willingness to stand behind it, which can be very reassuring to potential buyers. Persistence is key in digital product marketing. Success often takes time and consistent effort. Stay committed, continue refining your strategies, and view challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Diversifying your product range can enhance your income potential. Offering a variety of digital products can appeal to a broader audience and provide multiple revenue streams. Staying updated with market trends and customer needs is crucial. The digital product market is dynamic, so regularly updating your knowledge and product offerings can help keep your business relevant and competitive. Your digital product should align with your brand's identity and values. Consistency in branding and messaging helps build a strong, recognizable brand that resonates with your target audience. Storytelling and marketing can make your product more relatable and engaging. Sharing the story behind your product or how it can impact customers can create an emotional connection and enhance its appeal. Finally, remember to enjoy the process. Passion for your product and the journey of creating and marketing it can be contagious and appealing to your customers. In summary, starting a business with digital products can be a highly rewarding venture. With careful planning, thorough research, and strategic execution, you can successfully create and sell digital products that meet market demands and drive profitable business growth. Set sail on your digital success story. The first chapter is a free ebook unveiling today's most effective online business strategies. But the true journey to mastery unfolds in the chapters ahead. A meticulously designed 15-day challenge awaits you, an opportunity to put these strategies into action under the guidance of digital business experts. This is where you'll harness actionable insights and utilize a comprehensive toolkit to carve out your niche in the online world. Are you ready to chart a new course? Embark with determination. Click the link in the description and begin your ascent to the pinnacle of digital entrepreneurship. Coasting to a stop in today's e-earning road trip? Cruised with the method? Smooth drives or detours? Share your travel tales in the comments. Did today's financial journey take you to scenic profits? Hit like to keep the wheels turning? Eager for more routes to online riches? Subscribe and honk the bell, ensuring you're geared up for every new adventure. Before you park, catch that video road sign? It's a map to another destination of digital wealth. Buckle up and let's hit the road to discover more. Until our next cross-country venture.